In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the price volume rank indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to add it to your chart, and how to access the settings so you can start using it right away. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open. This can be any market or time frame you like. The process is the same. On your chart, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It usually appears near the toolbar above your candles. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. Once that window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find any tool without scrolling through long lists. Click on the search bar so it's active and ready for typing. Taking this extra second to use the search bar makes things much faster, especially if you use a lot of different indicators. Now, in the search bar, start typing price volume rank. As you type, TradingView will filter the results in real time. When you see the price volume rank indicator appear in the list below, that's the one you want. Simply click on it once, and TradingView will automatically add it to your chart. After you've added the indicator, you'll notice it appear either in a separate pane below your price chart or overlaid depending on how it's designed. To customize it, look for the indicator's name along the top or left side of that pane. Next to the name, you'll see a small settings icon that looks like a gear. Click on that gear icon to open the settings menu for price volume rank. Inside the settings, you can adjust things like colors, line styles, and other visual preferences so the indicator fits your chart layout and is easy for you to read. Take a moment to tweak these settings so the indicator stands out clearly against your background and doesn't clash with your existing tools. Finally, if you're not already on TradingView Pro or you want to upgrade to unlock more features and indicators like this one, use the link in my description to sign up. That link will take you straight to the TradingView sign up or upgrade page, making the process simple and fast. And that's all you need to do to add the price volume rank indicator in TradingView Pro and get it ready for your analysis.